Okay, here you see the V18, which is a 3-axis machine from Priminer, the biggest one. We call it the heavy-duty machine. Here you see the tool changer, which has 24 tools, and they are BBT50, which is the big bore, which is actually the cone fuzz, like they say in French, which means that you have a face and the cone at the same time. Here you see the control of the machine. Actually, this one is a Siemens 828D with the PPU 290. Beside the Siemens control, you can also have a version of Heidenhain, the Heidenhain TNC 620, and also the Fanuc control. All three controls are possible on the Priminer machines. Here you see the spindle, which is the BBT50, together with the tool changer, and this is actually meant for high performance of the machine. You see the rigidity and also the gearbox which is in. When we go down to the table, you see that the table is actually a moving table in X and Y, and the X direction is having 4 guideways, which makes the stability of the machine much bigger than if you only have 2 or even 3 guideways. Here you can see the central lubrication, and you can see all the measurements, the press air. It's made from SKF, which is a European brand, as all the parts, or mainly parts, are made in Europe. Here you see the electrical cabinet, which is completely with the Siemens control. You also see the whole thing is Siemens, made in Germany, of course, and how neat everything is ordered into this, and everything is numbered all into the electrical slides.